That's thing we're going to start about the movies. I used to have the CD very, very long time around in 13 years ago. He bought it in 13 years ago. The Soul of Gospel. Anyway, all the tracks, you see here, and anyway. I used to have the CD around early 2016. Let's see, I got here. I'll post to my IGTV. I'll be okay. That'll be alright. Leona Lewis, my favorite friend, best kept secret. Thank God is remastered in 2009. And then let's say about copyrights. Let me see. 2009 to 2005. Leona Lewis, best keep secret. Yeah. Yeah. Congratulations. Recording here, she was walking me before I attempted demo recordings. It came the music of the tape. Bullshit. Congratulations, Roy got a CD.